Before we get started with this video, I just want to say that I have a quick announcement to make. If you guys remember a couple videos ago, I unboxed my new drone. And I just want to say that we are having a giveaway on my channel. So what you're gonna do to get entered, just go follow me on Instagram, link on the description of every video. And you're not gonna win the same one that I have, you will win a new one. And to enter, you gotta subscribe, like my video, follow me on Instagram, and that's all you have to do to get entered to win a Holy Stone HS700D drone. So if you want to get enter, subscribe, like, follow me on Instagram. Now before we get started with this video again, I was gonna say that yes, we actually added some fluid, transmission fluid, that is to the XLT, because the fluid was down, as you guys saw. And it says trans fluid, and then the limp mode, I'm guessing that it was on limp mode because every time my dad stepped on the throttle, she wasn't responding at all. Then he had to stomp on the throttle again. So then that's when the truck responded, and then you could hear the transmission that it wasn't like shifting at the right time. The RPM used to go up, and then every time he came to a stop, the transmission was like stuck on third gear. So when he hits the gas, the truck kind of woke up, and then the transmission went back to first gear and then second, third. But yeah, it was kind of weird. So we got kind of the problem fixed. We actually put some transmission fluid on the truck. We actually ended up taking it to our mechanic, and then the mechanic said that he will take care of this issue. Not now though, so it will probably be, I'll obviously recover it on on the next video. But here is the clip that I filmed. I didn't film like a whole lot, but here's the footage. Just got on the truck, and it literally says trans fluid, and there's a little icon, and then the overdrive light is actually flashing. So my dad is actually in the Platinum right now. He's just parking the truck, and he didn't even notice. I just noticed while I was moving the truck forward, and it just came on. But I think we're gonna have to jump on the Platinum. We're gonna take this, but yeah, let's see what happens. So I hope it's gonna be an easy fix. Kind of confused of what kind of liquid is, because I can see something dropping out of the truck up there, but I also see something on there. So really big issues with the F150. Oh well, I'm gonna have to take care of this, because my beloved F150 is down. So now we are going up this kind of hill, and before we got here, I can feel the truck that it's in limp mode. So that little icon right there, I think it means that the truck is actually in limp mode. And so the transmission fluid is down, and we also have limp mode. So pretty big serious problem with the F150. Let's see what is up next, and jump on the Platinum. So we are going uphill now. The truck is not liking it. Yeah, it's not responding well. See, when he hits the throttle, it's not responding like she always does. Yeah, I can feel it. She's not responding well. It's almost like she's in limp mode. Wow. So now I feel that the truck is out of limp mode, because I actually don't see that little icon. I turned off the truck, then I turn it back on, and she's just riding just fine. I mean, going normal speeds. But I'm not gonna be surprised if that light comes on again, because it's actually not the first time that it pops up. So yeah, going on limp mode and actually low fluid, transmission fluid that is. So I gotta get home, jump on the platinum because we were gonna take, well, we are on the XLT, but we were gonna do a longer trip, but yeah, change of plans, gotta jump on the platinum. Well, have arrived to the house. Well, basically the house is over there, but yeah, sat into the truck. Now let's jump on the other beast. Being said, I also want to do it, say that stay tuned to the end of the video. Well, it's coming up, but talk about something that I didn't know. Well, I kind of did, but at the same time I didn't know. So yeah, cool to talk about that. I want to say that I didn't know this really about YouTube. Well, I sort of kind of did. I mean, my friends that are YouTubers, they let me know that, you know, this could happen. But, you know, I got copyrighted a lot of times on my videos. I was actually going through my whole history on my videos and I got copyrighted. You know, I'm gonna have to take care of those videos. I'm not gonna delete them, you know, although I can, you know, restart, but doesn't matter. I could probably, when I start paying on this channel, I could get all money back from, you know, ad revenue. Not really a big deal to get copyrighted now, but in the future will. But I just wanted to mention that I actually got copyrighted, but yeah, kind of sucks, but you know. Into the next one, guys, I'm actually gonna put a clip right here, so stay tuned for the next video if you're interested on the 2021 Ford F-150 Raptor.